Kung naghanap ka ng rent-to-own minimalist house na accessible to Manila, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 8K monthly, ay kayang-kaya mo nang magkabahay. Dito lang yan sa Kaya Homes na Cavite. And yes, may available tayong ready for occupancy units na may monthly DP lang na 7,500 for 8 months. 2-story minimalist house na may minimum lot size na 38 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong extra space dito sa back and sa front na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. Floor area na 43 square meters, kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living at dining area. At provision din ito for 2 bedroom. Semi-finished turnover, included na ang ating ceiling, water storage, primary paint at complete fixtures na rin ang ating toilet and bath. Kaya naman kung gusto mo nang magkaroon ng sariling bahay, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive housing mo. So, bye-bye!